everybody, Up North Guy. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing some tilling today with my John Deere 2025R tractor, and I'm using the Tar River tiller on this. I don't do a lot of tilling with the tractor, so I thought I'd put together a video and show you what it's like to use it and how the little tractor works with tiller on the back. I just talk about the setup here, actually go from front to back. I'm going to use a bucket on the front. I think it helps to have it to move any dirt around, or also gives you a little bit of weight on the front to offset the heavy weight of the tiller on the back. Kind of helps balance out the tractor. You notice I got the ROPS up here, and that is because where I'm going to be tilling here is very hilly area, so rollover is a real risk with these tractors, so I want to be careful with that. Always put the ROPS up if you think you're in an area where the tractor might tip and over significantly, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to try to go up, kind of straight up and down to do the tilling I got to do, but the ROPS is a good thing to have from a safety standpoint on the tractor. Here's the tiller. It's Tar River is the manufacturer. This is a TXG 50. And it is about 46 inches from side to side here, so it's kind of a smaller one. A lot of times these tillers are 60 inches, 5 feet long. So this one's a little bit smaller. I didn't need a real big one because I don't use it a lot, so that's why I've got this one. It is just for dimensions here, it's about 2 feet from the end of my eye match here out to the back of it, so it's kind of compact. It doesn't really stick too far out there on the back, which is nice. It makes it a little bit more maneuverable. It's rear PTO driven. As you can see here, I've got the PTO shaft hookup. This one did not require any kind of cutting or modification to the shaft. Sometimes you do have to do that if it's too long, for example, to get in between there, but this one was just fine as I bought it, or when I bought it, so no need to modify that one at all. Using the rear PTO, as I said, so on this tractor that's going to be this PTO lever pushed all the way to the front here. Max, or should operate around 540 RPM. Haven't used this one much, really only a couple of times, so my tines are kind of they got more cobwebs on them than they got dirt or actually rust or use on the tines there. So these implements, you know, I don't think are used very much, at least in the application that I have. I guess if you're doing a lot of different, food plots or having to till every year, you get a lot of use out of it. I use it maybe once a year. I think a lot of these tiller implements don't get used a lot, so I kind of sit around a lot, but when you need them and you got to dig up that dirt to get something planted, that's when they really help. So what we're going to do is plant some new trees, some fruit trees. We'll get started out here for the first time. Just want to churn up the dirt and get it in a place where we can get those trees planted. little fruit tree plot here, all ready for planting. Alright, so that's my video on tilling with John Deere 2025 tractor. Got the job done, and that's what I love about the tractor and these implements that you can put on here. Hey, check out my channel. It's Up North Guy on YouTube. I got more videos about the 2025, how-tos, product reviews, life and living up here in beautiful northern Michigan. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Hey, do you ever think wouldn't it be cool to get some Up North Guy merchandise? Well, you are in luck, because I've got a store on tpublic.com. I put the link in every video. I also got it on my banner. I've got t-shirts, hoodies, hats, mugs, all kinds of different designs out there, all Up North themed, original designs that I did. Got men's, women's, kids, all kinds of sizes, colors you can choose from there. And the best thing about it is my net proceeds, anything I make off of that, I'm going to donate to local charities here up north. So when you shop the store, you're doing something good for yourself and also for the community up north.